In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run multiple Chrome profiles for different accounts so you can keep everything separate, organized, and easy to manage. This is a super useful trick if you use one account for work, one for personal browsing, or if you need to stay signed into multiple Google accounts at the same time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click your profile icon. This is where Chrome stores and manages your browser profiles. After you click it, you'll see your current profile and a few account options. From here, click on Add Chrome Profile. This option lets you create a completely separate profile inside Chrome, which is great for keeping bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions organized by account. Next, Chrome will open a new setup window. Here, click on Sign In and Add Account. This will let you log into the Google account you want to connect with this new profile. Enter the email address for the account you want to use, then continue through the sign-in process as normal. Once you complete sign-in, Chrome will finish creating the new profile automatically. You'll now have a separate Chrome profile with its own color, its own settings, and its own signed-in account. The best part is that you can repeat this process for as many accounts as you need. So if you want one profile for business, one for school, and one for personal use, Chrome makes that simple. You can switch between profiles anytime by clicking the profile icon again and selecting the one you want. That way, each account stays isolated and you don't have to worry about mixing up passwords, tabs, or browsing data. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple Gmail inboxes, different YouTube channels, or work with several Google services at once. And that's it. Now you know how to run multiple Chrome profiles for different accounts. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.